Good afternoon, traders. It is Monday, August 1st, 2016. The U.S. stock market is closed. For some reason, I was going to say the U.S. stock market is out of control. I think that no, it's not out of control. It's just that um, I have been wrong in my predictions of the Dow action 6 straight days in a row. The Dow again continued this crazy pattern of what I call downsy sideways. Um, it's going down just a little in very small increments. Today it went down 28 points, but it's not selling off by any means. And I'm going to go out on a limb and call it up again for tomorrow because I think what it's doing is winding up here for a very big and powerful upside move. And I expect to make quite a bit of money on that move when it comes. Today, as I say, the Dow went down 28 points. We closed out negative $168. That's right, only $186, basically a wash there. And we are carrying about $1,000 open trade going into tomorrow. But we got into a lot of positions today. Um, we got into 14 positions, which is kind of strange with this action. I guess those positions mostly came in this run up here. It was followed by a sell off, mini sell off anyway. But we're still holding positive open trade equity on those 14 positions. 6 are positive, 8 are negative, but again, we're still positive overall. So, uh, technically, we made a little money. That's been the pattern here on this 6 day slide. We've actually made a lot of money on that 6 day slide, and I expect that we'll make a huge amount of money when this thing finally winds up and takes off and breaks to the top side. That is my prediction, so I will call it up again for tomorrow. I'll just show you a few of the trades we had here today. Um, this is the problem pattern we had today. We would have made, you know, quite a bit more money if we hadn't. Oh, I'm showing you the wrong thing. Apologize. Here, let's get this right. This is the problem pattern we had. This is SN Sanchez Energy, and we bought this on Friday, kind of toward the end of the day, and then we had this big gap down on the open, which cost us $2,000 in Sanchez Energy Corporation. But we had two other energy positions which did the same exact thing. And so these losses in our energy positions is what resulted in us ending up with a net loss of our on our exits of $168. Uh, but all was not so bad today. The losses in energy was offset partially, mostly, by another a continuing move on JNUG. I'm showing the last four trades of JNUG. That's leveraged gold bear, and we had bought this on Friday. We got out pretty good there. Could have hung on to the close actually, but we got out there pretty good for over $4,000 in JNUG. And it's interesting that these four trades you're seeing on the chart, those total over $17,000 in profits. So gold has really pulled us up the last 4 days and kept us out of any significant trouble at all, totally with our um, equity. So we're doing really good. Thank goodness for gold. we did have some good positions we got into too. Also, this is the best one, and it's kind of interesting. This is Etsy. This is Arts and Crafts eBay. That's the best way to describe Etsy. Arts and Crafts eBay. Look at this huge, humongous gap we had this morning, and we get up in here. I mean, we're buying this thing in the sky, but it keeps going, and we have over $2,000 open trade in Etsy. So, in spite of buying it in the sky, we're still quite profitable in that. And as I say, we are holding about $1,000 open trade profit on those 14 positions, but we just don't want that to reverse. We could get into some trouble with 14 positions if we don't get any follow through tomorrow. Anyway, that's the way it went. This is Trader Bob signing off. See you tomorrow on Tuesday.